Hello, in this video I will show you how you can pair Denon speaker with any MacBook. First of all, power on your speaker by using this power button. It's located right here, so click and hold it. Then click and hold play and the pause button to move them to the pairing mode. Okay, right now when you hear that sound and when this indicator is blinking quickly, it means that we have to go for the settings on the MacBook. Go for the Bluetooth. Turn it on with the switcher and select your speaker from the list. Right now, just to be sure that everything is fine, open the sound settings and switch for the output device to our wireless speaker. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.